Ready to flip over the hottest gadget of the summer? Here comes the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and it's making waves before it even hits the shelves. Samsung's turning up the heat, aiming to transform the foldable phone from a neat trick into the must-have tech accessory of the year. Last year's model, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, brought some serious style with its larger display and slick design, but this year, get ready for even bigger and bolder changes that'll make your jaw drop. Price talk is still hush-hush, but if we were betting folks, we'd wager it'll hover around the Galaxy Z Flip 5's $999 ballpark. Traditionally, August has been the grand entrance month for new Galaxy Flips, but hold on to your hats because this year, the timeline might just get a shakeup. With Samsung playing a key role in the 2024 Olympic Games starting in late July, we might see the Z Flip 6 making its glamorous debut amid the athletic action. Can you say perfect timing? Now let's talk design. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to keep the cool, clean lines of its predecessor, but watch for a mysterious new twist. Samsung has been flirting with a patent for something called Iron Flex. Sounds like a superhero gadget, right? It's all very hush-hush, but it could mean an even more resilient foldable screen. And for those who dread dust, there's good news. Improvements are on the horizon. Leaks are painting a picture of a vibrant palette for the Z Flip 6 with shades like light green, light blue, silver, and perhaps a pop of yellow. Flavors for every taste. It's also rumored to sport the same robust Corning Gorilla armor as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, promising to keep scratches and glare at bay. The word on the street is also hinting at a beefier battery and perhaps even 12 gigabytes of RAM. Talk about a power boost. As for the display, prepare for your jaw to drop. The cover screen might just stretch to a whopping 3.9 inches. That's not just big, it's enormous, especially when you compare it to other flip phones. And there's chatter about a possible upgrade to a 120Hz refresh rate. Smooth visuals while flipping through your day? Yes, please. Camera buffs, get your lenses ready. The Z Flip 6 could pack a whopping 50-megapixel main camera. From humble 12-megapixel beginnings to a giant leap in photography prowess, this phone means business. And don't forget the brains behind the beauty. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip found in the latest Galaxy S24 line, ensuring that your phone keeps up with you from dawn to dusk. Though we're just dipping our toes into the vast ocean of possibilities with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, one thing's clear. Samsung isn't just flipping phones, they're flipping the whole game. Stay tuned, because this summer, we're all invited to the flip side.